Hi there, welcome back to the series about magic methods in PHP. In this video we'll consider the toString magic method. Actually, this method is very simple to understand. Much more interesting to know and implementation in real life. For this reason I'll focus on a real life example. Okay, let's start. Create a new class HTML. Add the magic method toString in the class. The method returns the string type. Will return any string values. In this case it's the toString method. Then we create an object of the class HTML and echo it. Let's run the script. You can see that the method toString was called. So, the toString method allows a class to decide how it will react when treated like a string. When we call to echo the variable HTML, we access the class as a string and thus called the toString method. Implementation of the method toString may be anyway. Before we continue, I would like to make a remark. As of PHP 8, any class that contains the toString method will also implicitly implement the stringable interface and will thus pass type checks for that interface. It's good practice to implement the interface explicitly. Let's implement the interface stringable. If we look at the stringable interface, we can see that the interface describes the method toString. Don't forget to explicitly implement the interface when using the method toString. Okay, what about using the method toString in real life? Let's continue with our example. The HTML class will be a kind of wrapper for displaying information to the user. The HTML class will take two parameters, a tag and its content. In the magic method toString will be a logic for processing the passed tag. For example, you want the tags h1, h2 and h3 to apply a custom style. Let's code. When creating an object of the HTML class, we will pass two parameters, tag name and content. Add two private parameters of the type string. In the construct method we will assign the passed parameters. Let's add a constant text which contains a list of HTML tags. Then modify the method toString. There will be one condition in the method. If a parameter passed to the class is contained in the constant text, apply a custom style for this tag. Otherwise, return content wrapped in a tag without a custom style. Let's add a few new objects of class HTML. Let's run the script. Okay, well done. The class HTML works as it should. See you in the next videos.